A very quick update here on nat gas, coal and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have here? As per my yesterday's video, we have a completion of double bottom pattern followed by an engulfing candle. So looking at that, now as mentioned yesterday, I'm expecting some push up from here. Looking at the fact we do have a bullish signal here. The stop loss can be below this rejection area, target wherever you want to take it. Make sure you keep your targets below 50 EMA at this point, because the market is pushing down in a downtrend. So in this type of situation, I don't normally take larger targets unless I manage my trade. So keep an eye here. I'm expecting some push up. We do have a nat gas storage report coming up very shortly, so expecting some volatility there as well. So let's quickly check gold. So similar as yesterday, I'm not expecting any big push up from here. If we have the close of this candle as an engulfing candle as mentioned in my yesterday's video, then we have a nice sell signal. Looking at the area of this candle, I'm expecting $5 to $8 push down from here. Buy only from this area I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. Let's check crude oil. Crude oil is pushing up. It's in the process of a pullback. I want to see one more candle, a red candle pullback followed by a green candle. If that happens, we are gonna take long trade for crude oil. So not selling crude oil until the price completely broken below 50 and 20 EMA. So that was a quick update for you guys. Make sure you hit the like button if you are getting value out of my videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here on this channel.